lemon and more beans in the curry would have been appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Super, this is good. So this time the packing is a bit less. Camera and 2-3 dresses and gimbal and all is there. That's why it gets a bit heavy because of the equipment. My Digitech mic which I had bought, that also stopped working. So I've sent it to Delhi for them to fix it. So I'm not able to take that also. So yeah, now leaving for the railway station. So this is my train 12617 from platform 4 M1 fifth boat. Ticket I've taken is in M1. Usually you see B1, B2, B3. So M1 is between the 3-tier AC and the regular sleeper. I think the dimensions of the seating are a little bit less. So, and when I checked the IRCTC website, the cost of the ticket is 8% less. We have reached Madgaon railway station, Goa. So, Goa and men have a very classic relationship since Dil Chahta Hai. This is our go-to place since that movie, I think, even before that movie. But I think that movie eulogized this parties, beaches, a lot of pretty ladies. But I'm here for taking podcast this time. So, and I think I'm staying in South Goa, and that is not the usual part that they show. It's a much more less crowded area and nicer place. But let's see. So it will take me another 1 hour from here to get there. So yeah. So this is too nice for me. We enter only. We have Sadhguru and Adiyogi. After that, the main thing, Wi-Fi. We have a nice TV, AC. Oh, eagle. Oh no, it's a dove. We have Buddha sitting, and it's quite spacious. This is too huge for me. It's like too huge. We have nice kitchen, open kitchen with fridge, water, everything. We even have a nice washing machine and a nice bedroom and a big attached bathroom. Okay, see the balcony. The balcony is quite huge, guys. It's too huge. Yeah, this is the balcony. Yeah, it's nice. Wow, very nice. Very, very nice. Morning, everyone. Took a shower. I'll comb my hair. Why do I feel like a school kid? Feeling happy to go to school. It's school kids usually not are. But I'm happy to go to school. Now, Akka has given correct angel number at 33 meters. Let's see if it is correct 33. Yes, Taka, what are we making?
We are making some corn soup.
Okay. What all do we need for that?
We need any vegetables and definitely corn. And I'll use some beans and cabbage and what else? Maybe some peas, and that's all.
Is it fully positive, Pranik, or?
Yes, so we will not make it with some garlic or onion or chili. This is actually mixed ingredients.
Okay. What all are we making?
Dal also.
Oh, chao.
So I will put it in one. Very finely chopped.
Beans, no?
Yeah, it's beans. Actually वो मैंने सब्जी के लिए किया था. But
And we'll put this in the soup also.
in the soup because we can. So we have some cabbage, capsicum, zucchini, beans, coriander, and ginger, and also corn. We'll let the pan heat. And this is some homemade ghee
How did you make that?
from Malai, you know?
हाँ.
So यहाँ पर one good thing of living is in Cancun is because here are many cows and many buffalo, so we get fresh milk.
You have your own cow?
No, we don't have, but our neighbors
Oh.
have. So we just have fresh milk, and from that we make fresh ghee.
So homemade A2 desi cow ghee.
This is actually buffalo.
But
So we'll put little.
oh, the Indian masalas.
And some.
More cumin? How long will it take?
It just takes 10 minutes.
And the main ingredient. How much soup will be there?
3 bowls. You want more?
No. I'm just asking. Can do
More
it.
than 3.
I can do with half a bowl. Guys,
You don't like
guys, I'm being made positive pranic over here. I'm not used to such a life.
Really?
I'm from Kerala, ka.
And little bit of black pepper, freshly ground. You just roast it a little bit and then put water.
Do we need to cover it? No.
Not right. Carrots to it. अन्ना आप इतना ज़्यादा edit कैसे करते हो? Like how much time do you spend editing things?
It depends. Okay, if this is like a
मैं अभी pro नहीं हुई इसमें, so मेरे को बहुत time लगता है.
which app do you use?
I use Canva.
Oh, Canva video editing is there.
No, but I
Oh.
मतलब I take video and वो हो जाता है split
हाँ.
हो जाता है वीडियो पे फोटो आ जाता है
Oh.
बस उतना ही एडिटिंग करती हूँ
ठीक है.
टेक्स्ट आ जाता है
हाँ.
कैप्शन बस That is
I also
okay.
do that much only.
हाँ और म्यूजिक बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक में वो आ जाता है
Ah. How is it? Nice.
It is actually easy for me.
Oh.
That's why I edit on Canva. So we'll let it just boil for another 5-6 minutes and we'll add salt.
Main ingredient you forgot.
No,
Yes.
add a little later.
Is it rock Himalayan salt or what?
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
It is senda namak actually.
What is Senda Namak?
Rock salt.
Okay. What are we hunting for, Akka?
Curry leaves. there was some around because वहाँ पर योगाशाला में curry leaves ख़त्म हो गई है. So we are just finding here. Here are some.
Oh,
Do you see?
yeah, so you're killing the last leaves.
No, this will anyway go bad. हाँ. He was saying कि यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा पेड़ है. Maybe there's something.
Okay, guys, I'm leaving the corn soup and going for the salad.
Zucchini. And then we have zucchini's brother, the cucumber.
You had this, Akka.
This is zucchini's brother, the cucumber. This is a green salad. And then this is cabbage, which we keep in warm water so that it's free of all kinds of pesticides, even if there are any worms inside. We'll take only a little bit, otherwise this will dominate the whole salad. And that's it. Let's spice it up.
Soups and salad.
Get that? How can we make this more tastier and non-pranic, Akka?
So in yours, Anna, I add some butter. Okay?
Go for it.
Let me get it.
Butter is non-pranic, huh? I mean, compared to... I mean...
Okay, so in Rajas, Tamas and
Acha.
Sattva,
Acha.
it is really Rajas.
Rajas, okay.
Not Tamas.
Tamas. Guys, today's Rajas is sponsored by Amul.
So here is Vaishwana's Rajas soup. Here is Colleen's Rajas soup. Here is my Satvik.
Alright, back to the salad.
Ah.
We put some salt, put some black pepper, and lemon. That's all.
That's it?
Yes, that's it. This is very, very simple.
No butter?
No butter.
Okay.
Dal. So we put some ghee. Little cumin. Mustard seeds.
This dal fry or like dal curry? What is this?
This is just dal tadka. So this is
What all are we adding? Tomato?
tomato, just tomato. So
Turmeric. This is the ingredients.
Anna, this is first time, no? I don't have habit of speaking and cooking.
No problem. We'll be voice over then.
Ah,
I'll edit and then
voice over will be very good.
We'll write and
put
just you
some
say it, I'll put it over the video.
Turmeric. And we have little rasam powder actually. This is very freshly made rasam powder from a farm nearby. So we will not overcook the tomatoes. We will slightly cook it. And then we will put rasam powder. And this dal we cooked in matki ka butter.
Okay, we didn't show that, but how did you cook it exactly?
So we cook it in this pot.
Okay.
In the pot we made soup. We reused it. These pots actually we don't wash with soap.
Okay.
We just wash with warm water and then
Wipe it.
pat dry with little oil so that they don't crack. See how nice the dal is?
Oh, is it? Oh my god, how did the color suddenly come?
From turmeric
Okay.
and little bit red color from the tomato.
Putting coriander. Astaka is a daredevil. She's cooking directly on the flame, Habibis. Look at the lady playing Buddha Shuddhi every day.
Okay. I have to eat and do it. No?
Review.
Papad is nice. I made the salad. It's awesome. Let's see what the chef has done today.
Master Chef Goa.
It's really nice. It's really tasty. It's really healthy. Oh wow.
It is actually good, no? It's actually very nice. One without the salt.
This kitchen actually we made just now for the retreat, Russian retreat.
Okay, let's try some salt also.
Wait, I'll just get it.
Why does it taste the same only?
Now you're targeting this.
Cheers, everyone. So, what is the fairy making today?
Fairy?
Fairy godmother. Fairy.
So after the long podcast, we are making some kokum drink.
What is a kokum drink?
So kokum is a fruit that grows in Goa and actually this region of Maharashtra and little bit of Karnataka. And it is dried and it is very cooling in nature. So usually people have it for very cooling and it's also very digestive.
One without the salt.
This kitchen actually we made just now for the retreat. Russian retreat.
Okay, let's try some salt also. Why does it taste the same only?
Don't see any.
The world's most beautiful fridge. Tell us the story behind this.
So this was an old fridge with some marks on it. So we put stickers.
Before we go for kayaking, you're here for some snacks. Oh, is it full?
No.
Kind of.
I know.
Secret place. एक चाय और एक माता.
Nagana, give review. Is it hot and crispy?
3.5 by 5.
5.5.
3.5 by 5.
3.5 by 5. How is the bonda?
So good that he is not able to see.
No, can steal it.
Potato bonda. You have to give half to him. No, I want.
Guys,
Arjun's on the kayak.
we have attacked everything. Naga has almost become a Naga. Now critical appreciation.
Yes.
What is critical appreciation? Tell us.
We are waiting for the critical.
Yeah, critical appreciation.
Let me give you a critical appreciation.
You don't simply say super, you give a critical appreciation.
They have tried making it good, but they failed.
But they failed.
Yes.
Okay. No critical appreciation from.
A little bit of lemon and more beans in the curry would have been appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you. Ah, super. This is critical. Finally, Hatha Yogi is getting in their element.
नहीं कॉलेज में नहीं है खाया हुआ 300 ग्राम है
30 में भी नहीं होएगा.
100 किलो के 30 में होता है वो
So here we are for kayaking or just jumping in the beach. How is this pronounced? Palolem. Palolem.
So in Konkani, it is known as Palole. But because the Portuguese ruled here, so they named everything according to their language. So it is now Palolem. Where we live, it was initially Patne. Now it is Patnem.
Patnam.
Just to make English language.
So Akka, what are your concerns of kayaking? हाँ, तो हम नीमो को फाइन करेंगे. Finding Nemo. That's highly impossible, I'm thinking. Palolem Beach. And come nearby the shacks and then take a kayak and chill. You can call Devas kayak over here. Okay. Akash, first time, guys. La 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 la. Nagana is doing all the work. I am chilling, guys, because I shoot videos. And our two Hatha Yoga teachers are not doing so good.
What came into my mind in Cuba?
It is like this, but the blue is more blue.
You know, it is famous.
And we're gonna end the day with some candlelight dinner. Okay guys, I bought some Ariel to wash my clothes, and we're gonna end the vlog with Nagana leaving us because wife ne bola enough.
No, I'm
Ajay, you're staying, huh? Yes, that's how you do it. Now Akka will see this video and Acha, you're enjoying it, people, huh? Shake Shack Shock, Shake Shack Shock.
Oh, now
Jenny.
comments are like, wow, can't wait for its release.
Ah, Shake Shack Shock, Shake Shack Shock. So guys, vlog is not yet over until we have some ice cream from Juno's Gelato. अब अक्का खाएगी.
This is Himalayan salted caramel plus dark chocolate.
हम रिव्यू दे रहे हैं, डिस्टर्ब मत करो. अब अपना बताओ.
The best thing in the universe, diet universe. And I won't die for it, but it's good.